What's up, guys? I bet you thought that all I knew how to do was CompuTrainer setup, but while that is my area of expertise, I have been known to work on a few bikes every once in a while, and I thought I'd give you guys a heads up. All of you guys have been asking about new bikes and when the new bikes come out and stuff like that. Well, we weren't lying to you. They are slowly coming in, and just today we got presents from Felt, and I'm lucky enough right now to be building up a brand spanking new DA3 from Felt, which is seriously a hot bike. I mean, I'll be honest with you, every time a new bike comes out, I'm kind of skeptical of it, but this thing is delivering on all ends. The DA has been around for a while in its super high end form, but they've actually brought it down with some price points for this year. They actually offer a $4,000 version, which is awesome. It's really cool to see all this technology on a more entry level bike. But a lot of this, carryover features. They still got the Bayonet 3 right there, but this headstock is completely redesigned. They actually dropped this down, made it a little bit shallower, and these pieces, I don't know if you can kind of see it, but this piece here is interchangeable. They actually offer a fixed version if you have a super aggressive position, but you're still getting different stem lengths that you can switch out, and you have that almost infinite adjustability, so you don't really have to worry about your drop or anything like that. So a lot of really, really cool stuff on this. I mean, like I said, that redesigned frame, that's kind of a carryover from the original DA, a little bit redesigned, but you can SRAM red black on there. So awesome drivetrain. The big thing is, I don't know if some of you remember from last year, they offered a bike with return to center shifters, but this one's coming with the Zip return to center shifters. So really, really cool bike. It's lacing up really well. It's shifting well. It's awesome. So get in here, check it out. We got some B12s in. We got a couple B16s. So we got pretty much all the tri bikes that we're going to carry from Felt in now. So stop in, check them out, and they're worth your attention. Trust me. So come on in. It'll be well worth your trip. I promise. I hope everybody has a good weekend, and we'll see you soon.